Some tractors become museum pieces. Others spend their lives at auctions or in private collections, but a rare few never really retire. Decade after decade, they still start before sunrise, pull hay wagons, mow pastures, feed livestock, and do the jobs they were built to do. In this countdown, we're not ranking the most expensive or the most powerful classics. We're celebrating 10 legendary tractors that continue to earn their keep on American farms, proving that true quality isn't measured by age, it's measured by the work that's still getting done. Farmall Cub. "10 on our countdown is proof that a tractor doesn't need big horsepower to earn a lifetime of respect. Built from 1947 to 1964, the Farmall Cub was powered by International Harvester's 1.0-liter C64-cylinder gasoline engine, producing about 12 horsepower, hardly impressive on paper, but more than enough for the jobs it was designed to do. What kept the Cub alive wasn't raw strength. It was usefulness. On small family farms across America, this little tractor still mows pastures, cultivates gardens, pulls small trailers, and maintains country properties. Its offset, Cultivision, design gave operators an excellent view of the rows, while its simple mechanics made repairs affordable for generations of owners. Even today, it's common to find a Farmall Cub that has never been restored for show because it has never stopped working. The faded paint, worn seat, and countless scratches tell a better story than any museum display ever could. They remind us that the best classic tractors aren't always the biggest ones, they're the ones that still earn their place every single day. And as practical as the Cub was, the next tractor on our list helped bring mechanized farming to millions of American families. Ford 8N. At number 9 is a tractor that changed American farming forever. Produced from 1947 to 1952, the Ford 8N was powered by a rugged 2.0-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine, delivering about 23 PTO horsepower. Those numbers may seem modest today, but in its day, the 8N gave thousands of family farmers an affordable path to mechanized agriculture. With more than 500,000 units built, it became one of the best-selling tractors in American history. The reason so many are still working isn't because they're rare, it's because they're practical. The Ford 8N introduced features like position control hydraulics that made everyday jobs easier, while its straightforward design meant that almost any farmer with a basic toolbox could keep it running. Even decades after production ended, replacement parts remain easy to find, and many owners still rely on these tractors to mow fields, grade driveways, pull wagons, and maintain small farms. Walk through rural America today, and you're still likely to hear the familiar sound of an 8N starting up for another day's work. Most have faded paint, repaired fenders, and countless hours on the meter, but they continue to do exactly what they were built to do. That's the kind of legacy that keeps a classic tractor in daily operation. Our next tractor may not have sold in the same numbers, but among those who own one, it has earned a reputation as one of the finest kept secrets in American farming. Oliver 1650. Number 8 belongs to a tractor that never chased the spotlight, yet quietly earned the respect of generations of hard-working farmers. Built from 1964 to 1969, the Oliver 1650 was powered by a dependable 6-cylinder engine that produced about 66 PTO horsepower. It wasn't designed to break records, it was built to deliver smooth, reliable power day after day, season after season. Owners often praise the 1650 for its balanced performance. Whether pulling hay equipment, running a baler, working tillage tools, or hauling wagons, it handled demanding jobs without unnecessary complexity. Its smooth-running engine, comfortable platform, and solid construction made long days in the field a little easier, while its reputation for durability kept repair bills manageable. That practical reliability is exactly why so many Oliver 1650s are still earning their keep today. On family farms across the Midwest, these tractors continue to mow fields, rake hay, feed livestock, and tackle everyday chores that newer machines often cost far more to accomplish. They may not attract the crowds at every tractor show, but out in the countryside, many never stop doing the work they were built to do. The next tractor on our list comes from a company that disappeared decades ago, yet its machines continue to prove that a great design can outlive the name on the hood. Allis-Chalmers 185. At number 7 is a tractor that refuses to let its brand's history define its own. Produced from 1970 to 1976, the Allis-Chalmers 185 was powered by a dependable 6-cylinder diesel engine rated at about 79 PTO horsepower. It offered the right balance of power, efficiency, and simplicity, making it an ideal tractor for the everyday demands of livestock farms and mixed farming operations. Long after Allis-Chalmers left the agricultural equipment business, the 185 continued to earn the trust of the people who depended on it. Its fuel-efficient engine, durable drivetrain, and straightforward maintenance made it a machine that owners were willing to repair rather than replace. From pulling hay balers and rotary cutters to feeding cattle and hauling wagons, it remains a familiar sight on many family farms where reliability matters more than modern electronics. Perhaps that's the greatest compliment any classic tractor can receive. The company that built it is gone, but the tractor itself never stopped working. Decades later, countless Allis-Chalmers 185 still start each morning and tackle the same chores they've handled for generations, proving that true quality can outlast the badge on the hood. Our next tractor demonstrates that thoughtful engineering never goes out of style, and its reputation for dependable heavy-duty performance has kept it working long after many of its competitors were retired. Case 930 Comfort King. Number 6 goes to a tractor that proved great engineering never goes out of style. Introduced in 1962 as part of the Comfort King line, the Case 930 Comfort King was powered by a rugged 6.6-liter 6-cylinder diesel engine that delivered about 81 PTO horsepower. Built to handle demanding field work, it combined impressive pulling power with a redesigned operator platform that offered better visibility and comfort during long days behind the wheel. What has kept so many 930 Comfort Kings in daily operation isn't just their strength, it's their dependability. Their massive torque, straightforward mechanical design, and durable drivetrain made them tractors that owners could trust year after year. Even today, many are still pulling tillage equipment, running augers, hauling grain wagons, and tackling heavy chores that would challenge much newer machines. They continue to prove that reliable performance never goes out of fashion. Perhaps that's why the 930 Comfort King has earned such lasting respect. It wasn't built to impress at a tractor show. It was built to work, and thousands have spent more than 6 decades doing exactly that. For many farm families, replacing a machine that still starts every morning and gets the job done simply never made sense. The next tractor on our list takes a different path to the same destination, proving that versatility can be just as valuable as raw horsepower when a tractor is expected to work every single day. Massey Ferguson 135. At number 5 is a tractor that earned its reputation by doing a little bit of everything, and doing it well. Produced from 1964 to 1975, the Massey Ferguson 135 was powered most commonly by the Perkins AD 3.152 3-cylinder diesel engine, delivering about 38 PTO horsepower. While it was never intended for the biggest fields, it became one of the most trusted utility tractors ever built, thanks to its remarkable reliability, fuel efficiency, and ease of operation. For countless American farmers, the MF-135 was the tractor that handled the daily routine. It mowed hay, loaded feed, cultivated gardens, pulled wagons, and completed hundreds of small jobs that kept a family farm running. Its responsive hydraulic system, dependable Perkins engine, and low operating costs made it a machine that owners could justify keeping year after year instead of replacing with something newer. That practical value is exactly why so many Massey Ferguson 135s are still in daily operation today. Across rural America, it's not unusual to find one starting up before sunrise to feed livestock or maintain pastureland. These tractors have outlived changing technology because they continue to deliver exactly what farmers need, dependable performance without unnecessary complexity. The next tractor on our countdown takes that same everyday dependability and adds more power, becoming the hard-working diesel that countless American farms relied on through every season. Ford 5000. At number 4 is a tractor that became the dependable workhorse of countless American farms. Built from 1965 to 1975, the Ford 5000 was powered most commonly by a rugged 4.2-liter four-cylinder diesel engine, producing about 69 PTO horsepower. It offered the kind of balanced performance that farmers valued most, enough power for demanding field work, yet economical enough to handle everyday chores without wasting fuel. What truly set the Ford 5000 apart was its versatility. On one farm, it might spend the morning mowing hay, the afternoon pulling a baler, and the evening hauling feed to livestock. Its durable engine, reliable hydraulics, and straightforward mechanical design earned a reputation for staying in service with minimal downtime. When something eventually needed attention, repairs were generally simple, allowing owners to keep the tractor working instead of replacing it. More than half a century after its introduction, the Ford 5000 continues to justify that reputation. Many are still found maintaining pastures, clearing fence rows, pulling wagons, and tackling the daily responsibilities of family farms across America. It remains a reminder that the best classic tractors are not remembered because they were extraordinary for a few years, but because they have continued to perform ordinary jobs exceptionally well for decades. Our next tractor represents a significant step up in power, proving that a true field tractor can remain just as dependable in daily operation as any trusted utility machine. Farmall 806. Number 3 belongs to a tractor that helped power one of the greatest periods of agricultural growth in America. Produced from 1963 to 1967, the Farmall 806 was available with dependable 6-cylinder gasoline or diesel engines, with the diesel version delivering about 94 PTO horsepower. It brought the kind of strength that allowed farmers to handle larger implements while maintaining the reliability needed for long days in the field. The Farmall 806 quickly earned a reputation as a serious working tractor rather than simply a powerful one. Whether pulling heavy tillage equipment, planting row crops, operating forage harvesters, or hauling loaded grain wagons, it proved it could handle demanding jobs year after year. Its robust drivetrain, dependable torque, and straightforward mechanical design gave owners the confidence to keep it in service instead of trading it for a newer machine. That reputation hasn't faded with time. Across the Midwest, many Farmall 806s are still earning their keep during planting, hay season, and harvest. Their paint may be weathered and their hour meters long past counting, but they continue to deliver the dependable performance that made them favorites more than 60 years ago. Few tractors better illustrate the idea that the best classics are the ones still doing real work every day. Our runner-up takes a different approach, proving that perfect balance can sometimes be even more valuable than raw horsepower. John Deere 3020. At number 2 is a tractor that many experienced farmers still describe as the perfect balance of size, power, and versatility. Built from 1964 to 1972, the John Deere 3020 was powered by a dependable 3.6-liter four-cylinder diesel engine producing about 71 PTO horsepower. It wasn't the biggest tractor in John Deere's lineup, but for countless family farms, it was exactly the right machine for everyday work. The 3020 earned its reputation by handling almost any task without feeling oversized or underpowered. It was equally at home mowing hay, baling, planting, feeding livestock, loading wagons, or pulling tillage equipment. Combined with John Deere's reliable synchro-range or power shift transmission options and a strong hydraulic system, it became the kind of tractor that owners depended on through every season of the year. More than 50 years later, thousands of John Deere 3020s are still doing exactly what they were built to do. Many have never been restored because they have never stopped working. They continue to start on cold mornings, head into the fields, and finish the day's chores with the same dependable character that earned farmers trust decades ago. For many owners, the 3020 isn't simply a classic tractor, it's still an essential part of the farm. But one legendary machine has remained the benchmark for every classic working tractor that followed, and its reputation for daily reliability is virtually unmatched. John Deere 4020. And at number 1 is the tractor that has become the standard by which all classic working tractors are measured, the John Deere 4020. Produced from 1963 to 1972, it was most commonly equipped with a dependable 6.6-liter six-cylinder diesel engine delivering about 95 PTO horsepower. It offered an exceptional combination of power, reliability, operator comfort, and serviceability, making it one of the most successful tractors ever built. What makes the 4020 worthy of the top spot isn't simply its legendary reputation. It's the fact that, more than half a century later, countless examples are still earning their keep every day. Whether pulling hay equipment, operating grain augers, planting crops, hauling wagons, or handling loader work, the 4020 continues to perform the same demanding jobs it was built for. Its durable engine, proven power shift and synchro-range transmissions, and outstanding part support have allowed generation after generation of farmers to keep these machines in active service rather than replacing them. The John Deere 4020 didn't become a legend because it was the most advanced tractor of its era. It became a legend because it never stopped proving its value. Across rural America, the sound of a 4020 starting before sunrise is still a familiar one, reminding us that the best classic tractors aren't remembered for what they once accomplished, they're respected because they continue to work, day after day, year after year. These 10 tractors prove that true greatness isn't measured by horsepower, technology, or collector value. It's measured by the simple fact that, decades after leaving the factory, they're still doing honest work on American farms. Every worn seat, faded hood, and hour on the meter tells a story of reliability that modern machines still strive to match. If one of these classics has been part of your life, we'd love to hear your story in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey through America's working legends, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more classic tractor history.